What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I'm going to tell you the 3 biggest lies that you've been told when it comes to trying to burn fat or lose weight. Alright, so pretty much all of us at one point in time have been in a position where we were trying to burn some fat off, whether it's a bunch of fat or maybe just that last layer. We've all been there. And what sucks is that it's already hard. But what really sucks is that the dieting methods that people are following is actually making it harder on them. And I know this because of the thousands of clients that I've worked with over the years, and they all did this. And what's cool is that they all get blown away when I show them how easy and enjoyable getting in shape actually can be when you do it right. And I guess what's really cool is that a lot of them actually started that change with our body type quiz, which tells you the 3 most important things to take care of first if you're looking to burn off any amount of fat. And if by chance that you're trying to get started on something like that today, I'll throw a link to that free quiz right down below this video if you want to go click that. But without further ado, I'm going to share 3 of the most common fat burning mistakes that you're probably doing. And if you're guilty of doing these, hopefully you never do them again after this video. So first up, stop cutting your calories. I don't care how much weight you're trying to lose. I don't care how fast you're trying to lose it. Cutting calories is the fastest way to slow down your metabolism. There was a study done at the University of Cambridge on how your body adjusts the amount of calories you burn based off the amount of food that you eat, meaning calories in versus calories out. And what they found was that there is a group of neurons in your brain that coordinate appetite and energy expenditure, and it can literally turn a switch on and off to either burn or spare calories depending on what's available in the environment, meaning the less food you eat, the less calories you burn. Now, to be clear, I'm not saying go eat a ton of calories because you'll burn a ton of calories. I'm saying be smart with your caloric deficit and try not to cut your calories by more than 25 or 30% at a time. Now, number 2, stop cutting your carbs. Now, while cutting calories altogether is probably the most common mistake, cutting carbs would give it a run for its money, seeing as how everybody and their mother has tried to cut out carbs in order to lose weight. But why? Why have carbs been labeled as the food that makes you fat? Because you're eating the wrong kinds of carbs. You're eating processed carbs, donuts, French fries, cereals, pancakes, baked goods, sugar in the form of food, in the form of liquid like pop or Gatorade. These do nothing but digest quickly, cause a spike in blood sugar, and promote fat storage. But when you take out those processed carbs and substitute them with natural carbs like quinoa or whole grain bread or brown rice or couscous, oatmeal, vegetables, fresh fruits, first off, your body secretes more of your fat burning hormone, which is called leptin. This ramps up your metabolism. And then all of a sudden, you start experiencing sustained energy throughout the day, mental clarity throughout the day with no crashes or mental fog, and more endurance for your workouts from a slower digesting carb source. And actually, you get full easier due to the high amounts of fiber. And that's not even all of it. Carbs are extremely beneficial if you're having the right kinds. So stop cutting them altogether and instead cut the bad carbs and start eating the good carbs. And number 3, and this is one that is super common even for people who aren't necessarily trying to lose weight, stop eating 3 meals a day. You know that thing that we've been taught ever since we were children, how you eat breakfast when you wake up, then you eat lunch, and then you have dinner, and then you're done eating for the day. Those are your 3 meals. Yeah, this is probably the biggest reason that you can't stick to a diet. Why? Because how long are you awake throughout the day? Let's say you sleep for 8 hours a night, which none of us do. That's 16 hours that you're awake. That means you're only allowed to eat once every 5 hours and 20 minutes. Well, what happens in that 5-hour time frame? You become excruciatingly hungry. And when you're hungry, what are you hungry for? Is it brown rice and vegetables and turkey and chicken? Or are you hungry for a huge burger and some French fries? There was a study done at Harvard on the effects of people trying to lose weight while eating 3 times a day versus 6 times a day while maintaining a caloric deficit. And in the end, everybody who stuck to it, they lost the same amount of weight. Not the point. The point is the people who were only eating 3 times a week claimed to have been hungry for the majority of their day versus those who ate 6 times a day, which is 3 main meals and 3 snacks, claimed it was actually easy to stick to. And I'm confident that if you start introducing just 2 healthy snacks in between your 3 main meals 5 times a day, you'll experience the exact same thing. And if you're looking for a program that makes it easy to put together your diet and it gives you more than 50 different easy to make recipes to try out and gives you a training plan to go along with it, make sure you check out my free body type quiz by clicking that link right down below this video in the description. And other than that, make sure you are also hitting the like button on this video if you found it useful to let me know. And last but not least, make sure you are subscribing to the channel and checking their clicking the little notification bell right next to that subscribe button. That way you never miss out on a new video. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.